This is the addictive desert design stealth fighter front bumper for the 2019 to current Ram 1500. The modern radius plate steel design keeps the bumper tight to the front of the truck, allowing you to add protection without adding size and bulk. Our patented universal light mount system holds up to a 40-inch radius LED or 10 cube lights in the center of the bumper. Optional parking sensor cutouts give you the ability to retain your OEM amenities. The heavy-duty steel construction guarantees strength and durability. The aluminum panels are CNC cut for a precise fit. Reinforced clevis mounts allow the use of a 3/4-inch D-ring. And as always, this product is fully bolt-on and made in America. Visit our website at addoffroad.com to browse our selection of products for not only the new Ram 1500, but also all other newer makes and models of truck.